Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sharmin. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to show you my nighttime skincare routine. How do I take off my makeup and how do I care of my skin actually. So I've been using this Duvolle skin care system. This one comes with the 4 different kind of brushes. The brush I've been using, this one is facial exfoliation brush, and these bristles are super soft. These ones are very gentle for your skin. Like I've been using this almost a week or so, and I can see my skins are like, I had a lot of difference right now because I don't see any more pores, it's not that visible. And also the bumpiness is more even tone because I feel like this makes my skin more even, more all the oils, all the dirts, it's like take off easily because it goes onto your pores. And it's really gentle, though it's not that harsh. That's why I like. And it also comes with this big size of brush. Look at this. This is like a large brush for your body. I used it once and I like it so far because I can use it on onto my shower. It feels like massaging on your body. It's so smooth though, like it's not that harsh at all. And yeah, I really like it and I see the difference, and that's why I'm gonna use it over and over. And I have a coupon code for you guys. If you want to check the description box, you will able to get 70% off on this product. And if you want to see how I take off my makeup, please keep on watching. So first I'm gonna remove my eyelashes. Then I got my Pond's cold cream makeup remover. This is like a really good for removing your makeup. You don't need that much. I used to use the Clinique one, but now I really like it because I use it almost every day and it's affordable. Like a drugstore version of makeup remover. So I just get a little bit water. So I kind of put it all everywhere. It's really good for your melting. You can see melting your makeup and liquid lipsticks. Everything comes off. Your a waterproof mascara and everything, you can see it's all melting. And don't forget your neck as well. Now I'm gonna get just like a small towel and I wet it in a warm water. So I'm just gonna wipe it off. And you can see everything comes up really one swipe. Got my Cetaphil gentle face cleanser. It's for sensitive skin, and I got this much too. This is also I use it for makeup remover, but I feel like half of my makeup already removes from the Pond's makeup remover. And this is really good for your eye too because it's not gonna make your under eye very drying or anything. Then I got the towel, wet towel again, then I wipe it off again. So I've been using this brush spinning system, like a cleansing brush, every day in my skincare routine, and I see the difference and I really like this. This is from Duvolle spinning care system. So it comes with 2 more brushes. This one is for gentle cleanser. This is for your feet, I believe. And this one, look at this, the size of this brush. This one is for your body, for exfoliation. So this one is water resistant, so you can use it onto your shower as well. So today I'm using this. So I'm just gonna, you just put that the brush, and I'm using this cleanser from brightening jelly cleanser. It's from Pure, and I get a little bit. So if you use like a warm lukewarm water and massage it, it feels so good and so gentle for your face, and it's not gonna irritate your skin or anything. And I'm not I'm just massaging. It's like a circular motion. It feels like a facial, and It feels so good and relaxing, and I see my skins are more even around this area. And my pores are so clean and less visible. It's not that show, like especially on my nose area. And this feels so good, feels so clean. I still have that, like, you know, little bit foundation left over. So now I'm gonna wipe it off everything with the wet towel. Look at my skin, it's so clean. I know I don't have any makeup left over because I can see that. I think this Garnier Micellar Water, the one I'm using right now, is long wear makeup. And I'll get just like a cotton pad, and I'll just get a little bit, and I'll try to clean my eye. Like I use the, like, you know, turquoise eyeshadow. I think I have it left over on this, like, outer corner. Look at this, still I have a little bit left. Any eyelash glue or anything, it's gonna come off. If you toner, I've been using this Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herb, and rose water. And I kind of massage it. I will wait for a few seconds to dry it. For serum, I'm using this Versali Crunch Moisture Replenishing Serum, and I'm just gonna put that here, 2 drops, and I'll just put that around on my forehead. It's very thick serum on my neck as well. Then I'll massage with these tools. This one is like, it helps you serum absorb it really like into your skin, and also it helps your less puffiness and wrinkles, I feel like. And I always do that on upward motion. Then I wait for a few seconds to absorb to my skin. Then for moisturizer, I'm using this Inky Laced Peptide Moisturizer. This one helps reduce the sign of aging. Look at the packaging. So when you push it, it's gonna come out from the top. It's really nice. This moisturizer I'm using, like, it's been 2 weeks. It's not long ago, and I really like it. I also use it on daytime as well. Using this eye cream. This one is the Inky List Caffeine Eye Cream. This one, it helps reduce under eye puffiness. And I just get a little bit, put that with my ring finger. Then for daytime, I just use like serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen on top. But nighttime, I've been using this sleeping mask. This one is 8 hours Avant 8 hours Radiance Renewal sleeping mask. This one I've been using. This is my second tube. I really like it. I just use it on top of my, like, everything. So I get a little bit, and I just, like, you know, make it like a thin layer. It feels so good, and my skin feels so hydrated. Now for lip, I'm using this Duvolle Essential Lip and Enhancers. This one is this lip treatment. This is it. This is my nighttime skincare. That's how I do it every night, and it's working out for me because I really love this spinning brush, because ever since I started using it, I see the difference. My pores are not that visible anymore. My skins are more even toned, and it's really nice. I like it. And I also like the body brush. Look at this body brush, and I used it today at shower, so it's like exfoliation to your body. Coupon code for you guys, and it's gonna be in the description box below. If you're interested to purchase this one, you will get 70% off, and use that. Just click that link and you will able to get 70% off. And let me know how do you like it. And yeah, and I hope you guys will like it. If you like it, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribing my channel. So see you in my next video. Bye guys.